Hi there, my name is PUCCI. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a banger, English banger. I hope the English people don't get mad. I'm a Brazilian guy that lives in USA. That's my trying to make a Cumberland sausage. Normally over there they pan fried, but I'm Brazilian. I like to put in the grill with real wood charcoal, and that's how I made it. I'm gonna show you step by step. On the end of this video, I'm gonna cut and try. Okay, over here I have 1000 grams, 1 kilo of pork shoulder. I cut into strips and I put in the freezer. It's almost frozen. 1 kilo. And over here I have kilo, 500 grams of pork fat. Same thing, cut it into strips and I place in the freezer. Now I'm gonna grind it. I'm using 8 millimeters plate. Okay, the meat is ground. Again, I used the 8 millimeters plate. Over here I have 100 grams of breadcrumbs. Should be rusk. I can not find here in the US. I actually use matzo meal. Or you can use any breadcrumbs, 100 grams. Over here I have the seasoning. I'm gonna mix together. I'm gonna mix with the breadcrumbs, and I'm gonna add 150 milliliters of very cold water. I'm gonna mix all together, and then I'm gonna incorporate in the meat. That's the next step. And then I'm gonna mix the meat for about 5 minutes. I already placed the meat, the ground meat with the seasonings inside the stuffer. I'm gonna use a natural casing, hog casing. This one is 44 millimeters. Alright, my English sausage is done. Now I'm gonna put in the grill and try. And I guess that's supposed to be the way you prepare. Then you put it that way in the grill or in a frame of a fried pan. So let's try it. Hi there, I'm back. Let's try the Cumberland sausage from England, from United Kingdom. On the original recipe, ask for rusk. There's no way I'm gonna find rusk in US. So I use matzo meal, or you can use any breadcrumbs. Awesome. Smells so good, looks beautiful, tastes awesome. Cumberland sausage from a Brazilian guy that lives in US. I already gave a little piece to Piper. Thank you for watching this video. I see you on my next one. Bye. Wow, it's good. It's good. It's real good.